if this quadratic equation has equal roots and a plus c is 15, b is 36 by 5, then we have to find the value of a square plus c square. Now, generally, when we see that a quadratic equation has equal root, we try to use the condition that discriminant of that quadratic in x must be 0. But here you can see if you calculate the discriminant, that is b square minus 4 into a into c, it will become slightly complicated. So there is another interesting approach of attempting this problem. We know that if we have a quadratic equation of this form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and in this quadratic equation sum of coefficients is 0, that means if a plus b plus c this is 0, then one of the roots of this quadratic equation in x must be 1, and because product of root is c by a, if one root is 1, the other root must be c by a. Now, in this particular problem, we can use this concept because here if you notice coefficient of x square a into b minus c, coefficient of x b into c minus a, and the constant term c into a minus b. If you add these three terms, then their sum will be 0, and hence one of the root of this quadratic in x must be 1. Also, the other root will be constant term divided by coefficient of x square, and because it has equal root, those two numbers will be equal. That means one root is 1, other root is constant term, that is c into a minus b, and this divided by a into b minus c. Now these two must be equal. So if you rearrange the terms of this equation, you will get twice ac. This equals to b into a plus c. The value of a plus c and b is already given to us. So therefore from here you will get a into c, this equals to 54. Right? A plus c is 15, b is 36 by 5. If you substitute those numbers, a into c, this will be 54. So now a plus c is known, a into c is known. We have to find the value of a square plus c square. So we can square this equation, a plus c equals to 15. So therefore a square plus c square plus twice ac, and this will be 15 square, which is 225. Now a into c, this is 54. Substitute that value here. A square plus c square, this will be 117. So the correct answer for this problem is 117.